Hi guys, today I will explain about how to find GIFs in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application, and the next thing is import your media and Clipchamp by clicking on this import media icon. Once you will click on it, your PC data will be open and you can import data. The next thing is when your data will be imported in Clipchamp. Tap on this plus icon to add that in your timeline. Now you can see my video has been added in my timeline. Now the last thing is, we will add GIFs. So in order to add GIFs, you don't need to do anything at all. You don't have to go anywhere because in Clipchamp, you will find a lot of GIFs which are useful for your video. So in order to find GIFs, take a look on the left side of your computer screen. You will see multiple options from these. You have to select this one content library. Once you will click on it, you will find all the library of Clipchamp. And here we have to find GIFs. So scroll down to the last, and here you can see the option of Giphy. Just click on it. Once you will click on it, you will find two types of Giphy. This one is like cartoon, and this one is the same, but a little bit different. And here you can see 1,000 items are available in these two now. Click on this arrow to see all the GIFs. Now if I scroll down, you will get a lot of more GIFs which are useful. Now in order to add any of these, just tap on this plus icon. Now you can see here the GIFs has been added in my timeline. Now arrange it like I am doing now. If I play the video, you will see the GIF has been added. Now adjust the size and the position of this GIF according to your need. And it was the fundamental way by which you can add GIFs and Clipchamp.